Living with Love and Clarity presents Cartomancy with Playing Cards. Step into the world of Cartomancy, where traditional playing cards hold secrets and reveal insights into the past, present, and future. Cartomancy, derived from the combination of carto, meaning cards, and mancy, meaning divination, is an ancient practice steeped in mysticism and intuition. Playing cards predate tarot cards by several centuries. They are believed to have originated in China during the Tang Dynasty, 618 to 907 AD, and spread to other parts of Asia before reaching Europe in the late 14th century. Imagine a table adorned with a deck of cards, shrouded in symbolism and potential. Each card carries its own unique energy, waiting to be interpreted by the skilled hands of a cartomancer. Playing cards are pretty straightforward and are often used for divination or fortune-telling of practicalities, such as love, money matters, and daily decisions. Unlike tarot decks, which feature elaborate imagery and archetypal symbolism, standard playing cards may seem deceptively simple at first glance. However, within their ranks lie a multitude of meanings and associations. As the cards are drawn and laid out in intricate patterns known as spreads, the cartomancer delves into the energies surrounding the querent, person receiving the reading, and their query, what they want to know. Cartomancy transcends the boundaries of time and space, offering glimpses into the past, present, and future. It is a tool for self-reflection and introspection, inviting individuals to explore their innermost desires, fears, and aspirations. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious seeker, Cartomancy using traditional playing cards invites you to embark on a journey of self-discovery and enlightenment. Trust in your intuition, embrace the wisdom of the cards, and let their guidance illuminate your path forward. In the realm of Cartomancy, the possibilities are endless and the mysteries abound. Are you ready to unlock the secrets hidden within the cards? Thank you for joining us on this mystical journey, and until we meet again, may the cards be ever in your favor. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.